Hey guys, it's Paige. I'm going to show you how to make a smudge stick. Smudge sticks are great for cleaning your air because we want to keep the negative ions so it gets rid of the positive ions. So I'll do another video kind of on the science of it, but just here's a quick one with some plants that work great for it. So these ones I like because when you pick them, they keep their color when drying. So this is a globe amaranth, and I mean, I cut these probably 6 months or so ago, and so they just really look beautiful too when you're making a smudge stick. So, and then this is a salvia, so it has kind of that blue purple to it. And then we've got some of these little guys too that is also in the amaranth family, these pink ones. And then I love using pine as well. So this pine, this is a arbor pine, and it to me smells the best when you burn it. However, it holds a lot of oil in it, so it's harder to burn. So I like to get more of the needle ones and put that in with it because it helps it burn quicker. Because you want this to be dried out for a while, months and months. So what you're gonna do first is kind of get the base of things, how you want it to look. And then after that, so I like to do the pines in the back because it just has more body, so you're able to create more contrast with it. And then I do these guys right behind it on each side, or I like to. And then I'm gonna go for some of the salvia for that contrast. And you kind of just want to go off the body of things because you don't want it to be too chunky and all boxed together. So I like to just play off the body of things. So like next, since I have two straighter ones, linear lines, so I'm going to go for some of the curvier ones. And I just kind of break them off as I go. And then we got the curviers. Oh, so now some yellows would be good. Fluff it together. Yellows, and so this is some, so the yellow ones are chrysanthemums. They dry pretty well, not the best, but good for yellows. And then these are hyssop, which are part of the mint family. There are a couple of those. That's Mr. Petunia talking. And I like to do them in numbers of 3s or 5s. We really would live off of 3s. Everybody does 3 down to the brass tacks of it. So, it's kind of a Tesla, not kind of, it is Tesla, that's just the world works in 3s. So, these ones, it covers too much body in the front, so I'm just going to slide the hyssop to the back. Actually, yeah. This is good. Yes, part of the celosia family. And then what I do from here is I go ahead and I just take a rubber band, or you can use a bracelet, you know, whatever's around your wrist. And then I go ahead and wrap that, but we don't want to just do that. So I wrap that to hold the body of things. And then I cut down the base of it because you never know the lengths. I just keep the lengths on because you never know how, you know, where you're going to be wanting it to position. and then I cut it after. I can always just put this pine back here too for some extra burn. And then, so you want to just put the rubber band on there to hold it in, but you don't want to burn the rubber band because it has a lot of bad fumes with that, the plastics. So I just have some hemp right here. And then you want to cut it essentially to be about 5 or so lengths of what this actually is, because you want to be able to wrap it around several times. And then you can start. What I do is I just wrap it, and then I do a knot in the very middle so that way I can take the rubber band off and then start wrapping it up and down. So now I've got that wrapped, so go ahead and take off the rubber band. And one great thing too about, everybody you generally know sage and palo santo for smudging, but that cleans the air and gets rid of, helps with the bad juju and all that. But like, if you're not adding protective energies to the room, it's just gonna come right back. So when you have a variety like this adds the protective energies to it. So, because some plants are better for cleaning, some are better for adding, abundance to the air or love and things like that. So pines have a lot of protection to it. The yellows in general will help add abundance, so the chrysanthemums will have that. So just wrap it kind of tight, and at the end, the tops right there, I keep it a little bit more loose, so that way when you light it, it really helps the fire have some air to really catch on. Satisfied with how it looks when you wrap it, and then from there you can go in and add, little bits here and there to fill in some color too, especially if you're giving it for a gift and you really want to, have a good presentation with it. And all of these I cut months ago, so these will color great, which really helps if it has presentation for it too. Presentation and purpose. And then you can get a crystal and add a crystal to the middle of it as well. So this is just kind of a simple smudge stick. So we're in St. Louis, these are different things you can grow here. Several of these you can't grow in the north, and all of these should grow in the south though. So, but just go around and see what's out there and really pay attention. Just when you cut your flowers, don't throw them immediately out. See what dries well and holds color and volume and all that. So hope this helped.